On this 2014 to 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 with the 5.3 gas engine, P0496 means the ECM may be seeing EVAP flow when it has commanded a non-purge condition. In plain language, the tank can be pulled into vacuum when the system should be sealed off from intake manifold vacuum. The truck may run normally, but it can also show an EVAP fault, and the possible fault area is often around purge control, purge valve condition or installation, a temporary restriction, or the way the fuel tank pressure signal responds during the test. Start with the basic system checks, then follow a structured diagnostic approach before getting into the P0496 specific test. The logic here is command versus response. The ECM seals the EVAP system by commanding the purge solenoid off and the vent solenoid on, then watches the fuel tank pressure sensor to see if vacuum is being drawn into the EVAP system when purge should not be happening. Treat the run criteria as monitor gates: ignition voltage between 11 and 32 volts, engine off time greater than 48 minutes, baro greater than 70 kilopascals, fuel level between 10 and 90%, startup ECT less than 35 degrees Celsius, 95 degrees Fahrenheit, and startup IAT between 4 and 34 degrees Celsius, 39 and 93 degrees Fahrenheit. P0496 runs once per cold start for up to 17 minutes, with the purge valve and vent valve closed. The code sets when the ECM detects greater than 10 in H2O vacuum for 5 seconds during a non-purge condition. It is handled as a Type B DTC for setting and clearing behavior. Next, reproduce the operating conditions for the code. If the captured conditions are available, use those conditions as your guide. Then verify whether P0496 resets. If it does reset, continue into the P0496 testing path. If it does not reset, the result is all okay at that time. Keep in mind that vehicle temperature, shop temperature, fuel level, and vapor pressure can affect the fuel tank pressure sensor reading, so let the vehicle temperature stabilize to a shop temperature for the most accurate check. For the focus test, turn the ignition on. With a scan tool, command the EVAP purge seal function to not venting. Make sure the EVAP purge solenoid valve command is 0%, or this test will not work. Then run the engine and watch the fuel tank pressure sensor parameter. The expected result is less than 1.9 volts for greater than 90 seconds. Use the fuel tank pressure reading to make the decision. If the parameter is greater than 1.9 volts, the specified outcome is to replace the Q12 Evaporative Emission purge solenoid valve. If the parameter is less than 1.9 volts, the result is all okay. If the path does not line up cleanly with what the truck is doing, pause, recheck the earlier diagnostic path, and avoid guessing. After the repair is complete, verify the repair and confirm the code stays gone. The takeaway on P0496 is simple. The ECM is looking for vacuum during a non-purge event. So keep the diagnosis centered on the purge command, the sealed EVAP response, and the fuel tank pressure sensor reading. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.